Remove 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone. Using a pry tool, lift the screen out of the housing. Unscrew 3 Phillips head screws and remove the shield holding the flex cables down. Detach 3 flex cables off the motherboard. Remove a total of 10 Phillips head screws from the screen assembly. Remove the ear speaker and shield. Remove the shield behind the LCD display. And now remove the home button and the flex cable. Carefully remove the proximity sensor. Be very careful because this might tear. Now with the new screen, start transferring all these small parts back onto the frame assembly. Attach the shield back behind the LCD assembly. Screw in 4 Phillips head screws on the side of the frame assembly. Reattach the home button and the flex cable and apply 2 screws back on the home button and then the 3rd screw on the shield. Carefully realign and reattach the proximity sensor back onto the housing. Make sure the camera and the proximity sensor are directly aligned with the housing. Apply the ear speaker and the shield down, and then screw in the 2 screws. Apply the final Phillips head screw back onto the main shield. Now connect the 3 flex cables, the proximity sensor, LCD display, and then the digitizer cable back onto the motherboard. Apply the shield and the 3 Phillips head screws back onto the motherboard. Firmly realign the screen onto the main housing and close it shut. Be careful for any pressure points which may cause the screen to crack. Screw in the final 2 pentalobe screws firmly and then turn on the phone.